To bind with the TinyHawk 3, make sure your transmitter is in D8 mode. On the Emax E8 transmitter, press the power and L1 buttons. The red light indicates you're in D8 mode. To put your TinyHawk 3 into bind mode, press and hold the bind button while connecting your battery. Now release the button and put your transmitter into bind mode. After a few seconds, they should be bound together. Power cycle both the quad and the transmitter. If you're having problems binding, try connecting your TinyHawk with the Betaflight configurator. In the CLI tab, type bind_RX and press enter. This should put your quad into bind mode, ready to be connected with your transmitter.